Hi, hello all. I am Soumya. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to learn about content marketing in digital marketing. Let's we see what is content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach that focuses on creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content. The main goal is not direct selling but to attract, engage, and retain a specific audience. When businesses provide useful content, they build trust, credibility, and brand awareness, which finally leads to profitable customer actions. Importance of content marketing. Content marketing is important because today's customers do not like aggressive advertisements. They prefer brands that educate, inform, and guide them. Good content helps the businesses to stay connected with customers and increase the engagement and improve the online visibility. It also supports SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing. In digital marketing, content acts as the foundation for all promotional activities. Objectives of content marketing. The main objectives of content marketing are very clear. First, it helps to educate and inform the target audience. Second, it helps in solving the customer problems and pain points. Content marketing also increases the engagement on digital platform and generates the quality leads and improves the brand positioning. Overall, it helps the brands become industry leaders and trusted sources of information. Types of content. Content marketing uses different types of content to reach the different audiences. Written content includes blogs, articles, white papers, and case studies. Visual content includes images, infographics, and charts. Video content includes tutorials, demos, and explainer videos. Audio content includes podcasts and webinars. Social media content includes posts, stories, and reels. Interactive content includes quizzes, surveys, and calculators. Using multiple formats helps the businesses connect with a wider audience. Content marketing channels. Content is shared through different digital channels. These include websites, blogs, social media platforms, email marketing, search engines, and video platform. Choosing the right channel is important because it ensures that the right content reaches the right audience at the right time. Problem statement. Many businesses create content without a proper strategy. As a result, they face problems such as low engagement, poor brand recall, and wasted resources, and very few leads or conversations. These happen because the content is inconsistent, irrelevant, or not customer focused. Therefore, a structured and strategic content marketing approach is required. Empathize. The first phase of the design thinking process is empathize. In this phase, we try to understand the audience deeply. We study their needs, preference, challenges, and online behavior. Methods such as surveys, interviews, social media analysis, and website analytics are used here. The goal is to understand what type of content the audience likes and what problems they want solutions so far. Next phase is define phase. After understanding the audience, we move to the define phase. Here, we clearly define the main problem. The audience does not engage with the content because it lacks the relevance, consistency, and value. We also define the objectives such as improving the engagement, increasing the traffic, and generating the leads and strengthening the brand authority. At this stage, we set measurable KPIs like click-through rate, time on page, shares, and conversations. The next phase is ideate. Here we generate the solutions. We brainstorm creative ideas such as creating content calendars using storytelling techniques and developing the personalized content. We also plan interactive content like quizzes and polls and decide to publish content in multiple formats across the platform. The goal is to make the content more engaging, meaningful and customer centric. In the prototype phase, we test the content ideas on a small scale. These may include sample blog posts, short videos, social media campaigns, or email newsletters. These prototypes help us to understand the audience response before investing heavily. The focus is on testing the engagement and interest at a low cost. In the test phase, we measure the performance using analytics. We track the metrics like page views, like shares, comment, and click-through rates and conversations. We also collect feedback from users and stakeholders. Based on the result, we refine and improve the content strategy continuously. Summary. To summarize, the content marketing focuses on creating the value rather than selling the products directly. A successful content marketing strategy follows the five phases of empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. When content is relevant, consistent, and customer focused, it leads to better engagement, trust, and conversations. Content marketing is about building the relationship, not just promotions. When businesses focus on value and consistency, content becomes a powerful digital marketing tool. Thank you for listening.